On this, is it going?
Yes.
Oh, hey Ed, I'm gonna send you a video on how to remove this, but this is the problem is with the circuit board. So you take it off the plate, use a Phillips. I just got this one screwdriver. That's all right, you don't have to film this one.
Oh.
And then with a small blade screwdriver, you're gonna pry up the lid on this, okay? Because you're gonna have an issue with this battery connector. That's the one. So kind of do it slowly. And you'll see that this post, there's a post that goes down into this hole and there's a post that goes down into this one. So we're gonna pry that up. And then once you get it up, oh God. Sorry, Ed. Just kind of pry it up, kind of wiggle it around and it'll come right out. You'll get to this connector, it's gonna come off. So we're gonna pull this one off. So you just got to put it back on. So the pins are high. See, there's little 2 holes in here that are high. So you want to kind of align that. If you have to bend the pins, go ahead and bend them. And then you just kind of stick this on there and align the holes and it slides right on. Then you shouldn't have an issue. Okay.